I can tell you even today, we will give all of the people that are arrested here, they will be given tickets. And they'll go and make a mistake again, and they'll be given another ticket. It's the attitude, it's the philosophy. And I'm arguing that harsher penalties for transgressions may see a change. If it is a criminal offense to kill somebody on the roads, and that for that you go to jail for years, and if it is a criminal offense to be drinking and driving, and you lose your license immediately, then people will understand.